There's gonna be a lot of people very upset that I made this video because they charge thousands of dollars to teach you this exact thing. Hello, hello. It's Chanique here, the cleaning authority boss, helping you, new and inspired entrepreneur, start your business. I went from a solo cleaner to now a remote cleaning business owner. So I help you with sales, productivity, and marketing with a little bit of entrepreneur lifestyle, helping you really have the confidence to live the life you deserve as a growing, thriving entrepreneur. You are looking to start a remote cleaning business, or you are looking to transition your business into the subcontractor route, but you have no idea how to do so. This is the video I'm going to break down exactly step by step on how I find my amazing, good, qualified subcontractors for my business, helping me to provide my clients with amazing services. It just allows me to do more of the high-level business operations from time to time. I am going to give you the steps. I'm going to ask you to take your notes. If you want the full masterclass on how to start and grow your remote cleaning business, then check the links down below. It's going to be a part of the all-in-one clean and growth guide that has everything you need to thrive and start and grow your cleaning business. Get into that, I do want to talk about an amazing software that really helps with my process, and this is OpenPhone. OpenPhone is your own independent business line where you can separate your personal from your business. I couldn't imagine calling all these business with my personal number and then calling back. Having OpenPhone allows me to separate my business from my personal. I know who's calling me personally using the same phone, and I know who's calling me business-wide. In addition to that, I actually have two lines on OpenPhone. I have those who are inquiring for cleaning, and then those who are calling back as provider. And it makes it so much easier for me and my VA to determine what to answer and when not to answer. Also, the professionalism when there's two different lines. Your providers respect you more, understanding that they have their designated provider line to call or text when need be. I love the difference between them. I wish I had OpenPhone when I first started my cleaning business. Having a separate line is amazing. If you want your own separate line, then download OpenPhone and you can check it out for free, as well as getting 10% off your first 3 months using the link in my description box. First and foremost, I want you to understand the expectations when it comes to finding good quality subcontractor. The expectation is you're going to go through a lot of people to find the good people, and that's just the name of the game. Dealing with people in life in general is going to be difficult. It's not any different from finding your right people for your business. But I just want you to know that it is challenging parts of having a business, but to persevere through, because when you do and you find the right people, it's going to make a break and build up your business. Now, what are you looking for when it comes to your subcontractor? You're going to be looking for like mom and pop shops or people that are not really good at marketing. They may be struggling with getting clients, but they're actually very good at cleaning. And then the only thing is that they don't have the skill of closing sales or marketing. But the more you go through these calls, go through the steps I'm about to tell you, the more you identify who that person is. Maybe struggling or don't have the time to do so because they're probably the ones who's also doing the cleaning. So they don't have time to do the marketing. That's where you come in. Essentially, that's what your remote business, you are connecting your subcontractors. They're still your client. They're just taking the jobs, and they need to understand that. Now, there's actually a few ways to find good clients. I'm going to share with you my most top way that I find them. I typically search on Facebook for my subcontractor. I find that Facebook, you're going to find the smaller businesses. You could tend to find people already marketing or trying to market their business, and in which way those are people that you could reach out to. What I do is I just go on Facebook and I'll go to the search bar and I will search cleaning business, cleaning companies, or cleaners. And then I will limit the search to my local area, the city that you are going to be providing your services. And then you're just going to go and simply reach out to each and every one of them. Now, a mistake that you might do is you might judge them based on their Facebook. Like if they haven't posted in the last year, they're probably not active. You just never know. Again, these are most likely people that can't keep up with their marketing. They don't really know how to. So if they haven't posted in a year, they're still running their business, like word of mouth and all that stuff. They can't keep up with their socials or anything, something like that. They chose to do paid marketing now. Don't judge them that way. Or if we see someone do amazing content, don't judge them. Oh, they're probably too good for me. That mindset is going to like really kill your business. So you just still going to offer your help, essentially. Like that's what you're doing. You're offering these people help, you're offering them more income. So keep that mindset when you're reaching out. Now you're gonna go to the list of the search that you found on Facebook, and you're going to call them. And you're gonna simply just let them know, hey, my name is Chanique. I have a local business and I'm looking for people that may have availability in their week to take on more jobs. Is that something that you're interested in? And they'll say yes or no, or what's this about? And then you go ahead and have a mini conversation / interview to first vet them on whether or not this person would be a good fit for you, and vice versa. Maybe they just don't want to have the opportunity that you're providing. That is okay. Some few things that you want to have on that conversation is pay attention to the communication skills. If it's really important to your business that they have proper English speaking skills, then you're obviously going to take note of that. You're going to ask them how long they've been in the business for. Are they insured? Do they have insurance? Do they have their own cleaning supplies and cleaning supplies for certain jobs? Let's say you want to connect your clients to post-construction cleans, maybe it's window cleaning. Ask them if they possibly have the supplies or do those services. It's okay if they don't. You're going to have more subcontractors that possibly provide different services, and that's fine. You just want to take note of what they can do. Bare minimum, they should have the cleaning products to be able to do general cleaning and post-construction cleaning for your business. You have that conversation. You also want to ask them if you require a background check, could they pass? Some people will be honest and some people they won't, but eventually you will actually have them do a background check. And then let them know that anyone on your team, like, do you do background check for your team as well? If that conversation goes well, you have a good feeling for them, you just let them know, hey, these are my client and I'm providing the jobs. Do you understand what that means? There can be a non-compete. And if I find out there is any kind of poaching, then it's going to be hands off. Having that conversation right from the bat, it just lets them know what to expect and what not to expect. And again, it doesn't scare off the right people. I have a great subcontractor that completely understand what it means to be a subcontractor. It's just taking on the jobs, and they don't have to worry about communication with the clients. They don't have to worry about the marketing. They just take the job, get paid, do the job well, and that's about it. Now, when you have that conversation, you have a good feel for them, you're going to go ahead and say, hey, it just sounds like a good fit. Do you want to move forward? They'll say yes or no. If it's yes, then you go ahead and send them over agreement and email and regarding like a breakdown of what you discussed and all the things that you require. Again, if you do want a complete webinar as well as all the documents, scripts, and everything, the whole process, then you want to check out my all-in-one cleaning growth guide that has everything in that. So you check that out. So once you send over the email, then you require all their documentations, their insurance, the license plates, just identify who essentially the owner is. You don't need it for all their employees. You're really dealing with the owner of the business, as well as like location, availability, and things of that nature, making sure that you do have proof of their insurance as well. And then they're going to sign off the agreement. Then you're going to test them. So what is a test clean? So I would give this example when I'm on my one-on-one clients is that if you were to have employees, you would have to train them, correct? You would have to have them come with you on a job and you'd be paying them for the hour, correct? Yes. This is a way to train them as a good opportunity for your business. So you're going to stage a test cleaning. You're going to have them clean your friends or family's home. You're going to set it up as if it's a regular job. They're not going to know it's a test clean. And your friends or family who's going to be there to observe them, they're not going to mention that it's a test clean. They're going to be like a regular client. So you get to give your friends or family a free clean, and then you get to see if these providers are a good fit. Go through how it looks like to assign them to a job. I use Jobber for my softwares, like my CRM system. So I will assign them in Jobber. They'll see the information, the details of the job, and they will be assigned to go there. They'll do the clean. According to the expectations, my stage friend or family client is going to observe them. They're going to clean, and my friend and family is going to go check if they did a good job. They're also going to be aware of like what equipment they used, if it was appropriate for the clean. If it wasn't appropriate, then that's something that I could bring up. If they did miss anything, my friend or stage client is going to address the need, make them correct it. This is where my friend is going to observe their communication. Were they polite? Were they nice? Did they do a good job? Was they completely missed a whole bunch of things? Did they go through the steps that I had them do? Did they go through the checklist? But the real test, in addition to having good service, good customer service, great results, is my stage client is going to ask them or say, hey, I love your work. Can I book with you next time? If that person, subcontractor, gives their personal card or personal number, they failed the test. They're done. They could have cleaned that place meticulously, but if they give their card, that is just an example of someone you cannot trust and you don't want them in your business. But if they, again, this is up to you. This is on you too. Like, you need to let them know if any client asks, if any booking, you just always send them to you, the office, or whatever you want to call it. If they do say, hey, just contact Chanique or just contact the office, don't worry, I'll let them know that you're interested. Then you know that this is a trustworthy person and they do a good job, and that's the person that you can go ahead and send them actual client. So the testing is amazing. And again, I can't take full credit for this process. If it wasn't for my HSA coach on helping me transition from a solo to remote cleaner, I would never have gotten this far. So I'm very honest on the ideas that I get. Obviously, there's certain things that I've added, implemented for my business, but the whole process, like structure, has been suggested to HSA. And I'm always so happy to direct you if you want a long-term one-on-one coaching program on how to really scale your business. Then you want to check out the free training down below. Let them know I sent you. That's essentially how you find and qualify and vet good subcontractor. You still have to be the leader. You still have to pay them well. You still have to respect them, and you want to be able to still have a good partnership. That's also how you keep good people, is you have to be a good person yourself to also attract and keep great people. All right. Let me know how much you like this video. If you have any question, please leave it down in the comments down below. Check out OpenPhone. Let me know how you love it. I'll see you in my next video.